Welcome to this guided meditation on mindfulness. In this practice, we will explore the art of being fully present in the moment, cultivating a sense of stillness and awareness that allows us to experience life with clarity and grace. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and allow yourself to settle into this space of tranquility and presence. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to guide you into a state of pure relaxation, letting go of any tension or stress that may be present in your body. With each breath that passes, know that you are exactly where you are supposed to be in this moment. As you continue to breathe, gently direct your attention to the sensations in your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and with each breath, allow them to soften and release. Bring a sense of gentle curiosity to your experience without judgment or expectation. Take a few moments now to focus on the sensation of the breath. Now, expand your awareness to include the sounds around you. Notice the gentle hum of nature, the rustle of leaves in the wind, or simply the distant sound of life unfolding around you. Allow these sounds to wash over you, grounding you in the present moment. No need to attach to these thoughts or sounds. Simply let them come and go. As thoughts arise in your mind, allow yourself to observe them without attachment. Imagine each thought as a passing cloud in the sky, drifting by without needing to hold on to it or push it away. Return your focus to your breath whenever you find yourself getting lost in thought. This is the key to mindfulness. Try this for a moment. In this time of mindfulness, give yourself permission to let go of the need to do or achieve anything. Simply be here in this moment, exactly as you are. Embrace yourself with compassion and kindness, knowing that you are enough just as you are. Now, bring to mind someone you care about deeply. Visualize their face in your mind with a huge smile looking back at you. Send them wishes of love, peace, and happiness, knowing that your thoughts have the power to create positive energy in this world. Now extend this same sense of kindness and compassion to yourself, knowing that you deserve love and grace. As you continue to breathe and be present in this moment, allow yourself to feel a sense of gratitude for the simple joys of life. Notice the beauty that surrounds you on a daily basis, the gift of being alive in this moment, the opportunity to experience everything that life has to offer. Sit in this gratitude for a moment. Know that you can return to this practice of mindfulness whenever you need to find peace and clarity in your life. Carry this sense of presence and awareness with you throughout your day, knowing that each moment is an opportunity to live fully and authentically. Allow yourself to feel a deep sense of connection to all beings, knowing that we are all interconnected in this vast web of existence. Feel a sense of compassion and empathy for all living beings, knowing that we are all on this journey of life together. Now, take a moment to thank yourself for making time for this mindfulness meditation. Know that every second you spend in stillness is an investment in your overall physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. As we prepare to conclude this meditation, take a moment to reflect on the peace and clarity you have cultivated in this practice. Carry this sense of mindfulness with you as you go about your day, knowing that you have the power to navigate life's challenges with grace and ease. Thank you for joining me on this journey of mindfulness. May you carry the peace and clarity you have cultivated in today's practice with you as you go about your day. If you enjoyed this mindfulness meditation, kindly like and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, be well, my friend.